Okay, more on this. All right, this hole, sorry, I knew it was all right. This hole right here, that is where this little thing was. So what is down in there is like, this is basically your brake. Like when you screw that down. So what we've got is this little guy goes down in there. And so when you screw it down in there, it separates. Let me get this just right. There's these pieces right there. So, see? You push it, so, and the other one is, push the other one in too, right? So, when this goes down in there, it's a wedge shape, so that when you screw this down in there, it drives this wedge in there, spreading those two pieces apart, and then these are right there, and so when it spreads them apart, it pushes those out like a brake. And these were totally like locked up, this whole thing. So I don't know if I got that in there right. So push down by, by screwing this down in there, look what happens. Those guys pushed out. What I'm not sure about is, I guess by just moving this, it wants to go back in there. When you unscrew, it will allow it to be, well, all right. Let's squeeze it together, and that just came flying out, so that was another part that was just so tight and not working. So basically, this guy was just doing nothing.